How can I play my Samsung Blu Ray without a remote control?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem. How to operate your Samsung Blu Ray player when you've misplaced the remote or it's not working. Don't worry, you can still play your favorite Blu Ray discs without the remote. So let's jump right in.
Understanding the basic controls on the player.
Most Blu Ray players, including Samsung's models, come equipped with basic control buttons directly on the device. These are often located on the front or side panel and usually include power, play, pause, stop, eject, and sometimes navigation buttons, arrows or fast forward, rewind. Remember that the power button turns your player on or off. The play/pause button starts or pauses the playback. The stop button will stop the playback entirely. The eject button opens the disc tray so you can insert or remove your Blu Ray disc. The navigation buttons allow you to move through menus, fast forward, or rewind.
Navigating through the menu.
You might wonder, what if I need to navigate the on-screen menu? Here's how. 1. Press the power button on the player to turn it on. The Samsung logo should appear on your TV screen. 2. Insert your Blu Ray disc into the player by pressing the eject button and placing the disc on the tray. 3. Once your disc is in the player, the menu of the disc should automatically appear on your TV screen. If your Blu Ray player has navigation buttons, you can use these to move through the menu. Select the play option to start playing your movie. If your Blu Ray player does not have navigation buttons, your options may be limited, and you may only be able to play the disc from the beginning without the ability to access specific scenes or special features.
Using a universal remote or smartphone app.
If basic navigation isn't enough for your needs, consider using a universal remote or a smartphone app. Some universal remotes are compatible with Samsung Blu Ray players and can be programmed to control your device. In addition, several smartphone apps are designed to work as remote controls for a variety of devices, including Samsung Blu Ray players. You'll need to install the app on your smartphone and follow the instructions to pair it with your Blu Ray player. Please note that these solutions may not work with all models, so it's always best to check for compatibility first. That's all for today. Remember, losing your remote doesn't mean losing access to your Samsung Blu Ray player. We hope this guide has been helpful and will get you back to enjoying your movies and shows in no time. Until next time, happy watching!